Good morning, 2G. It's 9 o'clock and it's English time with Ms Marianne. Today we're going to cover the last part of Unit 7, which is listening, and then we're going to do the listening of Unit 8 and also the punctuation. Alright? So for the listening part, listen to the instructions. Number 1, you listen to the sentences, right? 2, tick the correct set of things for each sentence. So for example, number 1, there are 2 sets. You need to listen which is the correct set and you make the tick in the box. Alright? The listening text. Now remember, this is a review of the use of commas when we list things, right? Okay. Number 1. Ben bought shirts, pants, shoes, and socks today. Number 1. Ben bought shirts, pants, shoes, and socks today. 2. Paula bought carrots, onions, beans, and tomatoes. 2. Paula bought carrots, onions, beans, and tomatoes. 3. My sister is studying maths, history, science, and English. Number 3. My sister is studying maths, history, science, and English. 4. There are cars, scooters, buses, and trucks on the road. 4. There are cars, scooters, buses, and trucks on the road. Now, let's move on to Unit 8, punctuation. Alright? Alright, so today our punctuation is the exclamation mark. That will be our focus. But before we do the exclamation mark, we will do some punctuation review. Full stop. We use a full stop at the end of a sentence. He sits on the chair. Comma. When do we use a comma? We use a comma for listing things, or we use a comma for a series of nouns. Alright? Listen carefully. They are red, blue, green, yellow, and white flowers in the garden. The next one is the question mark. When do we use a question mark? We use a question mark at the end of a question. What is your name? Where do you live? How old are you? Alright, so like I said, our focus is the exclamation mark. So look at it, right? It's a stick with a full stop, right? And that is called an exclamation mark. Now we know that we use a full stop at the end of a sentence, we use comma when we are listing things, and we use a question mark at the end of a question. So when do we use an exclamation mark? We use an exclamation mark to express surprise, excitement, anger, and happiness or love. Examples of surprise. Wow, that was a great game. Example for excitement. Hooray, we are going to Disneyland. Example for anger. Keep quiet, or we can say stop it. Example for happiness or love. You are the best dog in the world. Alright, So the sentences that show surprise, excitement, anger, or happiness are called exclamatory sentences. We put an exclamation mark at the end of an exclamatory sentence. Now let's look at the examples and you will follow after me. What a brilliant idea! Let's go. What a brilliant idea! Shoo! Go away! Shoo! Go away! He has made our lives miserable. He has made our lives miserable. Now in the folder you will find an attachment, page 82, and you will complete the exercise. You need to add an exclamation mark to the exclamatory sentences. Alright, so now you have the exercise in the course book on page 82, and now we also have an exercise in the workbook on page 36. Again, sentences that show surprise, excitement or anger are called exclamatory sentences. Now here you need to insert exclamation marks to the exclamatory sentences. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exclamatory sentences, and you need to insert the exclamation marks. Alright, so now we're going to do the listening for Unit 8, the listening part for Unit 8. So now you have to listen attentively, and then you need to put a tick in the box for the correct pictures. Alright, so if you see number 1, there are 2 pictures. You need to listen to the clothes the person's wearing, and then you need to put the tick in the correct box. Listening text, right? Number 1. Ray is wearing a blue t-shirt. Ray is wearing a blue t-shirt. 2. Shelley is wearing a red dress. Shelley is wearing a red dress. 3. Mandy is wearing blue shorts. Mandy is wearing blue shorts. 4. Adam is wearing black shoes. Adam is wearing black shoes. 5. Josie is wearing a yellow skirt. Josie is wearing a yellow skirt. Alright, so for our activities today, you will find in the folder listening, page 74, listening, Unit 8, page 84, punctuation, course book 82, and punctuation workbook 36. We've come to the end of our English lesson. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.